DIY headboard, transform your bedroom in 10 minutes. Welcome to our tutorial on how to make a DIY headboard for your bedroom. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to create a unique and stylish headboard using materials that are easy to find and inexpensive. With this tutorial, you'll be able to transform your bedroom in just 10 minutes. Materials. For this project, you'll need a piece of plywood or MDF, medium density fiberboard, measuring tape, pencil, saw, sandpaper, paint or stain of your choice, paintbrush or roller, fabric or upholstery of your choice, staple gun, scissors. Instructions. Step 1. Measure the width of your bed and cut the plywood or MDF to size using a saw. Step 2. Sand the edges of the plywood or MDF to smooth out any rough spots. Step 3. Apply paint or stain to the plywood or MDF using a paintbrush or roller. Allow the paint or stain to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 4. Cut the fabric or upholstery to the same size as the plywood or MDF. Step 5. Place the fabric or upholstery face down on a flat surface and place the plywood or MDF on top of it, with the painted or stained side facing down. Step 6. Pull the fabric or upholstery tight and staple it to the back of the plywood or MDF using a staple gun. Be sure to staple the fabric or upholstery in the middle, along both sides, and at the corners. Step 7. Once you have stapled the fabric or upholstery to the back of the plywood or MDF, turn it over and place it behind your bed. Step 8. Secure the headboard to the wall using heavy-duty picture hangers or mounting brackets. Step 9. Step back and admire your new DIY headboard. Conclusion. And that's it. You've just created a stylish and unique headboard for your bedroom in just 10 minutes. This DIY project is easy to do and inexpensive, making it a great way to update the look of your bedroom without breaking the bank. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we can't wait to see your finished product. Remember to post your pictures in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects like this one. Thanks for watching.